Self-practice 4.1 question 3. They're asking us to show that this equals to this, right? So whenever we have a show question or a proving question, we pick one side, either the left-hand side or the right-hand side. So in this case, I think we can pick the right-hand side. We can simplify to get into the left-hand side. So I can say right-hand side is 64 power a over 16. So 64 and 16, we can bring it down to base 4. 64 is 4 cube and 16 is 4 square. So these two powers we can times, becomes 3a. And if you have divide, the powers will minus. So 3a minus 2. So this is exactly the left hand side now. And we can say shown. Okay, so we have shown that right hand side equals to left hand side. B. Here also I think this one looks more complex, so we can say right hand side is 81 power a. So 81 is 9 square times 9 square power a. Since these are related by times, the power will plus. So 9, 2 plus 2a, which is also 9, 2a plus 2 lah. Okay, if you want to rearrange according to this. So this is equivalent to left hand side, so you can say shown. Done. And lastly, C. This looks more complicated as well, so let's start there. 343 power a 2401. Okay, so these numbers maybe not so familiar, but they gave us a clue lah. It has to be something related to base 7, so we can use our calculator. Okay, let's find 7 cube. 7 cube is 343. So right here 7 cube, then power a. Let's try 7 power 4. 7 power 4 is 2401. Right. So this, since it's divide, the power will become minus lah. So 7 3a minus 4, which is our left hand side. Sure. Done. That's all.